Did you know that your DeWalt flex-volt battery is actually a transformer in disguise? Most people think it's just a big, heavy battery, but inside it has a literal brain that rewires itself depending on the tool you touch. When you pop it into a standard 20 V2, internal cells work in parallel for maximum run time. It's essentially like having 3 batteries working as a single team. But the second you click it into a 60 VMAX 2, the battery instantly switches its internal circuitry to series mode. This move triples the voltage on the fly, giving you corded level power without the actual cord. Giving you corded level power without the actual cord. It is currently the only battery on the market that physically changes its internal electric configuration based on what it's plugged into. Is it just smart engineering, or is it black and yellow magic? Is it just smart engineering, or is it black and yellow magic? Drop a lightning bolt in the comments if you've been using these without knowing how smart they actually are.